Hi, this is Peter Selma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Going to give you a quick walkthrough on a 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Let's take a look. First thing you're going to notice right here, nice submersible swim platform. Gives you easy access on and off the boat when you are beached. Very fancy aft sun lounge here. Folds up, gives you a nice, little spot for your legs, etc. Cup holders in the back, 12-volt receptacle for your phone, with an additional stereo remote back here, so you really never need to leave the back area here. Walking through, as well as the SeaDek on the swim platform, it transitions right to the side of the boat here. Step to get on and off, easy access to your dock. In the cockpit, you're going to notice there's a ton of space. There's space all throughout this boat. Tons of spots to sit. The infinity woven flooring throughout the boat. Some different seating configurations here. Fold both these back. It's almost like a sectional in here. You have a lot of room to sit. White sports arch, good for water sports, towing, etc. Gives you tons of room for shade, so you're not burning up in the sun. Up at the helm, Mercury vessel view display, 9-inch, flush mounted fusion stereo remote, nice double wide captain shift chair with the thigh bolster. In the head compartment, nice roomy head. Not gonna be bumping your head getting in and out of there. Moving forward in the bow, ample seating for everybody up here in the front. We're going to have a dedicated spot for a bow table here, so you can have your lunch up here, dinner, drinks. Moving more forward here, we have our forward-facing beach ladder with sprayer, so you can clean your feet off while you're getting on and off the boat. All right, guys, again, my name is Peter Selma with MarineMax. If you have any questions about this or any other boat we have, feel free to call me, 732-551-8914. Thank you.